In this video, we will install, test, and uninstall Cockpit on a Debian machine. First, we update the package list to get the latest software information. We refresh the package index using the package manager. Now we install Cockpit from the official Debian repository. We enable and start the Cockpit service using ctl. We check that the Cockpit service is active and running. If you have a firewall, open port 9090 to allow web access to Cockpit. Now we test Cockpit by opening its web interface in the browser. Open your browser and navigate to the localhost on port 99T and log in with your system username and password. Once logged in, you can monitor system status, services, and logs through the Cockpit dashboard. Now let's uninstall Cockpit completely. First, we stop and disable the Cockpit service. Next, we uninstall the Cockpit package and clean dependencies. If you have set the firewall rule for Cockpit port, you need to remove it now. Finally, verify Cockpit is no longer available. And that was the full process of installing, testing, and uninstalling Cockpit on Debian 13. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial, with more details on our websites. Also, we help instructors create videos and educational materials for their own students. So if you need videos like this for your own channel or platform, check the first link in the description. Thank you for watching.